Hi, welcome to Computing Fundamentals video. Today I'm going to show you how you can stop applications that are opening when you start your computer. Like when you switch on a computer and then it loads your operating system, and then you will see some of your applications will just open themselves there. Right, so there's actually a way that you can close that. Those applications are opened by the background services, the services that are running at the background, and then they're actually getting triggered when you switch on your computer, right? So in order for you to disable that, that's very easy and straightforward. What you need to do, you need to go to the task manager. How do you go to the task manager? You must go to your taskbar, you can right click and go to the task manager. Right, and then you go to the startup. So under the startup you will see also these are the applications that are actually running when I open my computer, right? So the status here it tells you that this application is enabled to run when you open your computer, and if it's disabled it means you don't run when you start your computer, right? So if you don't want that application to run when you open your computer, you can come here and disable it. You select it like that and then you can click disable here, right? You can just say disable, and then if you want to enable it, we'll just come here and say enable, right? Yeah, so however, don't come here and enable everything like security, Windows security notifications, right? That's important for you to get some security notifications about your computer. So but some of the applications that you don't need them to run on the startup, you can disable. Like you can see I disabled Microsoft Teams. I don't use Microsoft Teams most of the time, so I don't want it to run each time I open my computer, and then I just disable it, right? So that will actually improve your computer when you start it. So the reason sometimes your computer will take time to load is because it's trying to run all of these applications, right? So then you need to make sure that you disable them on the startup, and then your performance when you switch on your computer, it will be better. But only disable the application that you know what it does. Don't come here and disable everything, right? So some of the applications are actually designed to run on the startup, so there are some things that need to check on your computer, so they need to be there. Like you can see here, I got the updates enabled, so when I run my computer, it's fine for me to run the updates to check if there are any updates, and then to run the updates, right? So that's cool, that's fine. So but some of the applications you can actually disable them. You can see here this one is for the audio manager, so I just enabled that. I left that as it is. I didn't have to disable it, right? It's important. The applications like these are actually optional applications. Sometimes you have some of the applications that you know what they do, and then you actually don't use them. Sometimes there is the applications that you installed, so you just have to make sure that you disable them, or otherwise uninstall that application if you don't use it. The alternative option will be to disable it. Make sure that it doesn't run on the start. It will make your computer take time to load, right? Yes, that's how you can actually make sure that you improve your computer's performance when you start your computer. That's all. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.